Imagine this. You spend your entire life tangled in worries that don't even belong to you, bending your spirit just to quiet the noise inside your head. Your every thought shadowed by what might go wrong. What if you could break free from the endless loop of anxious rehearsals? What if peace doesn't come from controlling every outcome, but from the wild courage of surrender? There is a strange kind of wisdom here, not in complicated theories, not in faraway places, but in the quiet rebellion of no longer living as if your worth depends on perfect planning. Imagine living as though worry lost its grip, as though you no longer needed to anticipate every disaster. What if that is where true calm lives? What if strength is not born from fearing the worst, but from shrugging off the heavy weight of needless concern? Let's be honest. How many times have you stayed awake at night, replaying the same worst-case scenarios your mind can conjure? You know the ones, the what-if questions that pull you down like a quicksand you can't escape. How often have you felt exhausted, not from doing too much, but from worrying too much? Maybe you've hidden moments of joy because a shadow of doubt crept in, whispering that something will go wrong if you let your guard down. It's exhausting, isn't it? And you're not alone in this. This silent wrestle with worry is one most of us share, yet rarely admit. You see, most of the chaos, most of the restless thinking inside your mind comes from fearing shadows that were never really there. How often do you hesitate because what if something goes wrong? How often do you dim your own light because you're afraid of uncertainty? Think carefully. How much of your life has been spent rehearsing for disasters that never arrive? The truth is simple, yet almost forbidden. The more you release the need to worry, the more you breathe as yourself. Life has never asked you to be flawless. It has only whispered, "Be present." And isn't it startling how freeing that feels? But here's the misconception many of us carry. Not worrying is not carelessness. It's not avoidance. It's not shirking responsibility. No. Letting go means you free yourself from anxieties that chain you down. The fear that every step must be safeguarded. The exhausting need to control every detail. It's about choosing your own pace. It's about standing in the now without apology. It's about realizing that peace is your birthright simply by existing. And yet, look around. Watch the world carefully. Most people are prisoners of invisible fears. They replay worst-case scenarios inside their heads over and over, worried about what happened yesterday or what might fail tomorrow. They cling to control as though certainty could protect them, forgetting that life itself is built on change. So what if, just for a moment, you let that grip relax? What if you stopped worrying about the illusion of control? What if you stepped into the wild truth that life was never meant to be certain? Now, here's where the paradox unfolds. When you stop worrying about being perfect, you begin to embrace the cracks in your surface. When you stop fearing judgment, you begin to stand tall for yourself. When you stop trying to control every moment, you make room for life to surprise you in ways you could never plan. And the strange miracle is this: the less you cling to fear, the more courage grows quietly inside you. Look at the people you admire, truly admire. Are they the ones paralyzed by what-ifs, freezing every move? Or are they the ones who walk through life with ease, untethered by worry, simply themselves, unafraid, unhidden? Because here is the secret. People are drawn not by absence of flaws, but by presence of calm. They are attracted to authenticity. They are comforted by honesty. When you stop chasing certainty, when you stand firmly in your imperfections, When you trust yourself enough to face uncertainty without retreat, you become naturally magnetic. Opportunities come. Love feels lighter, and strangely, the fear that once trapped you turns to freedom. Freedom to take risks without dissection. Freedom to speak without self-censoring. Freedom to exist without weighing each step on invisible scales. And it is here, in this space of surrender, that peace reveals its true face. But there's more, the fascinating part. When you stop feeding anxious thoughts, life itself begins to rise up to meet you. Relationships turn genuine. Doors open without struggle. Choices no longer feel like traps, but invitations. And suddenly, what once felt heavy becomes simple, because it is yours. It belongs to you, not to fears borrowed from others. Think of the countless times you held your breath because of dread. The hours you replayed worst scenarios in your mind. The years shaped not by what you hoped, but by what you feared. And all the while, a quiet voice inside asked, what would happen if you simply stopped worrying so much? And here is the answer. When you release worry, you notice beauty in uncertainty. When you stop performing for safety, you start living for yourself. When you loosen control, you discover life flows smoother when allowed to breathe its own rhythm. And there is a deeper revelation. Most of what weighs you down was never real. The rules you followed, the fears you inherited, the worries you carried like heavy stones, they were illusions, smoke masquerading as truth. The moment you wake from that dream, you realize the cage was never locked. But here's where people resist. They believe if they let go, they will fail. They fear that without worry, without control, without constant vigilance, everything will crumble. But the truth is the opposite. The truth is, when you loosen your grip, everything begins to align. Letting go does not steal your power. It restores it. Because not worrying is not absence. It is alignment. It is remembering where your energy belongs. It is refusing to waste days polishing mirrors that never reflected you clearly. Look around at lives unraveling from stress, from comparison, from endless fear, and ask yourself, is that really living? Or just surviving in a cage built by your own mind? What would it mean if you dared to step outside, to accept uncertainty, to embrace imperfection, to love without clinging, to dance without fearing judgment? You may be surprised, because the strange magic is this. When you stop chasing calm, you actually find it. When you stop fearing failure, doors open where walls once stood. When you stop controlling everything, life rushes in, carrying gifts you could never have scripted. Detachment is not escape. It is intimacy with reality. It is seeing life without fear's smudged lens. It is allowing what is real to breathe around you and within you. And in that openness, you find not emptiness, but fullness. So think again of the patterns you repeat. How often have you battled shadows only to see them vanish? How often have you clung to worries only to watch them fade? How often have you trapped yourself in cycles, replaying fears as though anxiety could rewrite what will come? Freedom arrives the moment you stop giving power to ghosts. The moment you stop fearing being alone, you learn to love your own company. The moment you stop controlling others, you finally see them clearly. The moment you stop living for approval, you begin to truly live. And so the teaching whispers again. Peace is not in perfect plans. It is in the silence you create. Joy is not in eliminating uncertainty. It is in walking alongside it. Love is not in desperate grip. It is in open hands. And wisdom is not in controlling life, but in dancing with it, even when it slips through your fingers. So ask yourself right now, what needless worry are you carrying? Whose fear are you holding? What anxiety grips you tighter than you dare admit? And what would your life look like if today you chose to set it down? Because the moment you stop worrying about the wrong things, the right things rush in like breath after suffocation. And in that moment, you realize you were never lacking, only holding too tightly to what was never yours. And the real miracle is not perfect calm, but freedom.